Good morning, Charlie Digman from Lock Easy. Today in this video I'm going to show you just how easy it really is to install the Lock Easy lock. Now my online videos show you step by step how to install the lock, but it's really hard to get a feel for just how easy this really is. So in this video I'm going to do it all at once. I'm going to show you how to install all the major components of a Lock Easy lock. There's a few minor components I'm not going to show you that are done in the background, but for the most part I'm going to show you all the major components and show you just how easy it really is to install the Lock Easy lock. So let's get started. So, first thing we do is make sure the door is shut and locked. Then we'll take the tape off the back of the lock. Locate the lock on the side of the door. Center it. Press it down in place. The lock's installed. Next we'll take the stop bar. Now this stop bar I had pre-cut. Got the stop bar in. The stop bar is installed. Next we'll install the door lift anti-rotation screw. Now this little screw, along with another one, will keep the door from rotating and keep people from lifting the door off its track. So you open the door. Now I pre-drilled the hole for this. Shut the door. As you can see, it moves freely. Engage the lock. And it doesn't open. Engage the lock. Doesn't open. As you can see, I can operate it at the same time I will open the door. Or I can even drop it down and lock it. It's installed. It's that easy.